we're toggling between this as a grid or as table. The same thing we'd like to be able to do with the course editor. The course editor shouldn't render here all the time, right? It should render only when we navigate, presumably, from a course. Yes? Right. So we like to use the same technique that we use for toggling between the grid and the table. We can use it for the editor. Right. So for instance, right, so the course manager can contain some state information that keeps track on whether I'm editing the course or I'm not. Right? Should the editor be shown or not? Right? So show editor. Maybe we have a flag that says false. Starts initially with false, right? And then we can use that. We can use that to drive whether we want to see the editor or not. Right? So we can wrap this inside. Oops. We can wrap this inside an expression and say that if this dot state dot show editor, then we show the course editor, right? Right now it's false, so it shouldn't show. It's not showing, right? But if it's true, then it does show. Okay, and notice that the table and the grid should be exclusive, right? Mutually exclusive from the editor. I either show the editor or I show the list of courses. Right? I should be able to navigate between the two. Typically, we would navigate using a URL, right, and leaving the content from the previous page to the target page. But not so here, right? We can dynamically show different things. So here, we can toggle this and say we can make these exclusive, right? And say that we can wrap this, we can wrap the list of courses, we can wrap them inside of a single div, right? And then move this whole thing inside of an expression that is now responsible for for either showing it or not based on this, right? So they're mutually exclusive, so they're opposite of each other, right? If it's don't show the editor, right, then you show the list. But if you show the editor, you don't show the list and you only show the editor, right? So you can toggle between the two. So notice that I'm showing the editor but not the list, or I can say false and I can just swap between the two. Now I need a logic to be able to handle that state. So now I need to just handle that and modify this content dynamically.